Hello, everyone. My name is Selena Nixon, and I'm completing my second year field placement or specialization, excuse me. Um, so the type of agency that I'll be working with is a nonprofit agency, and it's a great human service agency. We have a lot of goals, but more than anything, we work to eliminate detrimental social conditions. So these could be anything from inequalities in education, language barriers, sufficient resources, and one of the most difficult or challenging things that we work with would definitely have to be citizenship status. Um, in this field placement, I'm expecting or hoping to definitely come out with the knowledge required to practice successfully, despite all of the COVID epidemic and everything that we are doing to work around that. Um, this field experience would absolutely be completely different from my generalist practice experience. In all of my field placements and previous employment, I've worked with students. I've always been classroom based, but I've also done home based. I've always been on the behavior side of therapy. And I was also fortunate enough to get a workplace site. So I did know all of my clients and I knew all of the administration, and I had fairly good relationships with everyone. So I was very comfortable and very confident going into that, as opposed to knowing no one and having to build up those relationships, not only with administration to be successful, but with the clients. Um, so I'm a little apprehensive about working with new people with the COVID and everything that's going on, but I am excited to see the ways that we break through the communication barriers with all the technology and all of the advances that we have. I definitely want to have some contact, like physical contact, but at the same time, I want to be respectful of the law and everything that's going on and keeping myself safe. So I'm a little nervous, but excited to see how we're going to navigate that path. Um, and in relation to trauma, I definitely think that this entire epidemic that we're experiencing could absolutely be categorized as a natural disaster and traumatic because people are losing their homes, losing their jobs, losing their lives, losing on any type of regularity or communication or humanality that we had. So I am excited to learn with you guys and to move forward this semester.